Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another unboxing. I am absolutely swimming in subscription boxes this week. It's kind of insane right now. I just keep getting packages. So today's video is the unboxing of the FabFitFun summer box. I've actually been waiting on this one for over a month now. It has taken quite a while to get here. I ended up missing out on the add-ons this time around, so the shipping was a little bit later. I was just not on top of it. It was during my entire move and I just spaced on it, so oh well though, no harm, no foul. I'll be on it more next time. As we all kind of know by now, FabFitFun is a seasonal box, so they only send these out 4 times a year. They are $49.99. There are coupon codes for first-time customers. You can find them if you pop them in on Google, and usually it's a $10 off coupon, which helps sweeten the deal. So if there's a month you're like, okay, that's it, that's the month I'm cashing in on, make sure you look for coupon codes. But for everybody else who has tried FabFitFun before, it is $49.99. But they are always supposed to have a value over $200. So always a good deal there, at least in value. But yeah, let's not waste any more time and just dive into this unboxing. I'm ready. I have been waiting. So let's look at this together. Right on top, as per usual, you get the FabFitFun magazine, which now we have Meghan Trainor as the face of this season. Lots of good information inside of there. The way I like to do these videos is I'll tell you guys all of the options that there were and then which one that I happened to choose or I was given, just so we get to see all of the options as we go through it. So I'm gonna get started with the items that were in every member's box. And first up we have the Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse. These retail for $16. Whoa, those smell amazing. Oh my gosh, I wish I could eat one of these. They're also squishy. Am I the only one that just sees this and is just like, ow, I want to put it in my mouth? You shouldn't though. It may be made of sugar, but you're not supposed to eat these. You're supposed to use only a single cube in the shower or the bath, gently massage over wet skin. It's just for a little extra pampering and exfoliating. Ooh, I'm happy I got that one. Second product every member got is the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. This one has a value of $30. Sniff test. What does that smell like? Can't quite put my finger on it. Bark extract. Maybe that's what I'm smelling. It had a kind of woodsy scent. It's infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy to repair and protect the hair from heat styling products up to 450 degrees. That's awesome. How do you use this? Shake it well, work a small amount of product into the hands, apply through damp hair, and comb to distribute. Do not rinse, then you style the hair. That actually sounds really good. So it's not only supposed to protect your hair from the heat, but also repair it. So I'm gonna be putting this to use ASAP. Good 2 items so far that everybody is getting. Third up in the same category that all members get is the Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscience, the Body Souffle. It retails for $18. It's vegan and cruelty-free, naturally derived. It's got a really neat pattern on it. What is a body souffle? That's a moisturizer, isn't it? Fancy word for moisturizer, yes. Let's give it a quick test run here on the hand or arm. Oh, that smells good. It has a very sweet scent. It has apricot oil and shea butter inside of it. No, yeah, that's it. It's the apricot that's really powerful in the scent, and it's really good. Dried down fast too, and don't feel sticky. So it's natural, ethically sourced, it's paraben free, and of course I mentioned the cruelty free and vegan. Always good to get a good moisturizer inside the box. To be quite honest, my skincare is mainly from subscription boxes. I'm not mad at it. And you know what? That was actually the last item for all members to receive. So everybody got these 3 inside the box. Let's move over to what all members were allowed to choose from. So we got a few different options and then you could pick one of them. So let's get started with the first category. You could choose from a plush ultra soft plaid scarf that has a retail value of $75. Holy guacamole. An Anthropologie travel yoga mat for $50. Third, the Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler, $80. Fourth, the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit, $89.99. And lastly, a mystery item of $42 and up in the value. And personally, I chose the Ceramic Styler. I was torn between this one and the yoga mat, and I ended up going with the straightener just because I was like, I can get a yoga mat on Amazon. I've been in need of a new straightener. It comes with a nice case. Ooh, that matches the styler. Oh, that is cute. I love the color. But this looks like a great size of straightener. I have had a very old straightener for way too long. I mean, it's still holding up, still going strong. It's an old Revlon straightener. You know what, let me show you it. Here she is, and I'm happy I went to go get it because it's not Revlon, it's Remington. I don't know why I thought it was Revlon, maybe because it was an RE. But this is my super old straightener, and it's done me good for years and years and years. I've just been debating getting a smaller one because this one is quite thick. It's perfect for long hair if you have a lot of hair to go through and you want to straighten it pretty fast, but it's not the greatest for short hair. And kind of random, I'm actually thinking about chopping my hair off. I have set a consult for this Tuesday to meet with a new hairstylist since I'm new to the area. I haven't found a new hairstylist yet. I've been on the hunt. Unfortunately, my old one's just way too far away now. So I'm cautiously trying to find a new hairstylist out here, and I'm thinking about going short, like chopping this much off. Oh, you guys can't even see it. Oh, let me stand up a bit. Chopping that much off. It's a lot of hair. And this straightener is just a little bit too thick when I have short hair. I've had short hair 3 years ago. It was that short, so it's growing quite fast. And you know what? If I decide to go through with it, this straightener is gonna come in handy. Wow, I just went on a rant with that one. All right, moving on. The second category that all members were allowed to choose from. First up, we have the Kate Spade Lunch Tote for $30. Then we have the NASIFMD, let's go with that, Detox Pads, $45. Third, the Cut from the Cloth Slim Striped Wallet, $60. Wow, that's an expensive wallet. Fourth, the Twin Cheese Board with Plate, $30. And the one I chose was the Kate Spade lunch bag. I'm a huge fan of Kate Spade. If there's anything Kate Spade, I'm gonna choose it. I have quite a few of her handbags. I always go to the outlets whenever it's the sale time. Go ham. I told my mom also I was getting this one and she was like, can I have it? And I was like, all right, you can have it. Let me unbox it first. So here's what she looks like coming out. Let me open her up and poof her out of it. She's been folded for so long. I like that it has the protective liner on the inside. I was thinking it was going to be made out of cloth material, but it's not. It is plastic on the inside and both the outside. At least I'm pretty sure it's plastic. It feels like plastic. I'm going with plastic. This is cute though. It has a handle up top so you can carry it around. And it is polka dots all the way around. And it says in tiny print, out to lunch. Very cute detail. I'm wondering though, you gotta have the right kind of containers for this one because it is quite small. If you have really large containers, you may need to stuff it a bit. Just depends how much you take with you. But not bad. If you are someone who tries to limit their spacing, this will fit inside of a backpack or a big tote if you need it to. This will come in handy once I start going back to school in the next couple months. Oh wait, no, I forgot. I'm giving this away to my mom. I was already planning to use it. I'll get another one. She can have it. She loves Kate Spade too. And then we have ourselves a third option that every member got to choose from. The first option, the Better Skin Company Lava Magic, which is a 3-in-1 cleanser. I was wondering what that was. For $32. The Booble Bar Booble Bar Frere Ear Crawlers, $34. And lastly, the Cosmetics Pure C, a vitamin C nighttime serum, $54. I went with the ear crawlers. Most of you guys know I just got my ears re-pierced this summer, so as soon as I saw the earrings, I was like, yes. Yes. Let's try one on. Can I put it up this way? Or will it fall? Let's try. I just realized I put the wrong one on. Okay, so they're specific to the ear. This one's meant for my left. Take two. There we go. Wow, my ear is looking all sorts of bedazzled. I'm interested though to see if it will stay up with the ear or if it's gonna fall down. I think I'll put the other one in too and we can just test this theory out. I'll wear them for the rest of the video and see if that happens. So happy I can wear earrings again. I feel so extra at the moment and I love it. Okay, this was a fun purchase. I'm happy with it. It's actually the first time I have swapped out those earrings since getting them pierced. All right, let's move on to the next category, the one for select members. That's what it was called, not VIP. It's select members, those who pay for the entire year ahead of time. They get these options to choose from. So there's two different kinds. Yeah, two of them. Had to double check. And of course, if you weren't select, FabFitFun chose the item for you. So starting with the first one, it is the Pear Dual Salt and Pepper Mill, $21.95, kind of a random item, I thought. The After Spa Hair Towel Wrap, $18. Third, the Trustique Mini Eye Essentials set of 4, $48. Fourth, the Skin Volve Body Boost Gel, $45. And the one that FabFitFun chose for me was the Trustique Mini Eye Essential set of 4 for $48. It says that one's a brow pencil, one's a shadow crayon, another shadow crayon, and one eye pencil. And the mini eye pencil is a eyeliner. Here's a close-up of these guys and their size compared to my hand. I've actually received Trustique in the past in both Ipsy and BoxyCharm boxes. So I am pretty familiar with Trustique. I don't believe I have these shades in specific. So let's do a swatch. Ooh, a very creamy formula to these guys. They just glide on. Starting from the bottom is the brow pencil, which is in the shade Americano. Then we have the shadow stick in Mormito Pink Pearl, a Kona Coffee, another shadow stick, and lastly the Santorini Black Sand eyeliner. It looks like I may be able to get away with that brow color. It looks like it's more on the light brown side. I usually stick to the taupes. Sometimes the light browns can look a little bit harsh on me. It may need a little bit more time to dry down. I was just doing a swatch test here to see how budge proof the eyeliner is, and it's smudging out quite a bit, so it might not be transfer resistant. I'll put another swatch down over here and we can see if that one will dry down if I leave it alone for a little bit. But not a bad item. If I was given the choice, I probably would have chosen these ones or the Skin Volve Body Boost Gel, or maybe the hair towel. I know, anything but that salt and pepper shaker. And now we just have one more category to talk about. So this is again for select members to choose from. First up, we have the Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Roller Ball. It's for $29. The Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask 6-piece set for $25. And lastly, the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner, $30. And the ones in which I received were the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I've actually gotten these a few different times in subscription boxes. They're probably one of the favorites to put in there. I think it's the Laura box I got one, BoxyCharm I got one, Wander Beauty is a little bit all over. But these are really good eye patches. They look like this right down here. They come out as 2 patches and you just put them underneath your eyes, make it feel really nice underneath. And not bad that you get 6 of them. They're a good pampering moment if you just want to put on a little something in the morning, if you're feeling puffy. These are really good for that. So I'm definitely happy I got a restock on these ones. And yeah, that was the last item now. The entire box has been unboxed. Let's take a look here at the swatch. Not smudge proof. So that's a little bit of a downside there. Oh, and we have a casualty. It fell off the ear. So now it's hanging down a bit. Didn't fall off of my other ear. It may just be getting it into the right position and tucking it into the ear properly. May need to play with that. That's pretty disappointing. I was really excited about these ones. I was hoping too for a $34 ear crawler, it would be pretty good quality where it has a way to stick to the ear. Oh my god, it just broke. Oh my gosh, it just broke. What garbage! Oh my gosh. Let me pull that out my ear. Oh my gosh, that is so annoying. It felt kind of bendy, but I was like, okay, maybe it's bendy so that way you're able to get it inside the ear. $34 ear crawler and it breaks as soon as I wear it? I'm so mad. I was seriously excited about that. Ear crawler. Now I'm just completely let down. I mean, just look at that. It came clean off. Just boop, snapped. I'm so glad I decided to try these on and leave them on to see how they performed, because if that had happened while I was out and I didn't have a backup, I mean, my ears had just been re-pierced, so it's possible they would have started to close right away on me. I'm so mad. I'm laughing, but I'm mad. Oh, man. Disappointment there. Immediately going in the garbage can. Alright, but let's get back to talking about this box. Can't dwell on the earrings the whole time, but this is my entire box, minus one item. It was a lot of stuff this time around, some big ticket items. And the value of all 8 items added up, we get to $281. Ooh, that is really good. Well over $200 in the value. That is including the ear crawlers. If I take away $34 for the ear crawlers, still leaves me with $247 as the value. I'm a little bit salty about those. I'm not gonna lie, I do feel a bit disappointed with this month's box now that this item just completely broke on me. I'm wondering if they even happened to test it maybe before they put it inside of this month's box. It's something I would hope that they would do before deciding to curate the box and put all these items inside of it. At least try it and make sure it doesn't break instantly. I'll try not to let that ruin the entire box for me. I'm definitely gonna contact FabFitFun since, you know, I do buy my own box. This is not sent to me. I purchase it with my own money. I'm gonna contact them, see what they say about that. But that aside, I did really enjoy the other items inside of this month's box. I was super happy I got the straightener, the Kate Spade lunch bag, and the sugar cube, and the moisturizer, and all that. All those other items were really good, so I won't let this ear crawler spoil the rest of it. That was my unboxing of the FabFitFun summer box. Let me know what your guys' thoughts were on this month's box. Not this month's, I'm so used to monthly subscription boxes. This season's box. This summer edition box. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!